Welcome to our video on unleashing AI superpowers for daily life automation. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it can transform your everyday tasks into seamless experiences. Whether you're a tech novice or just curious about AI, we'll explore practical applications that can simplify your life effortlessly. From smart home devices that manage your environment to AI-driven apps that help you stay organized, we'll cover a range of tools designed to make your daily routine smoother. Get ready to discover how these innovative technologies can save you time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Join us as we unlock the potential of AI in your daily life. Understanding AI basics. To fully appreciate the power of AI in our daily lives, it's essential to grasp some fundamental concepts. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. This includes problem-solving, learning, and decision-making. It's important to distinguish between AI, machine learning, and automation. While AI encompasses the broader field, machine learning is a subset that focuses on algorithms that allow machines to learn from data. Automation, on the other hand, involves using technology to perform tasks without human intervention. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effectively applying AI tools in your life, as it empowers you to choose the right solutions for your needs and enhances your overall experience with technology. Identifying daily tasks for automation. To harness the power of AI in your daily life, start by identifying tasks that can be automated. Take a moment to list the repetitive activities you perform regularly, such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, or managing your emails. For instance, consider using AI tools to automatically schedule meetings based on your availability or to send reminders for important deadlines. Email management can also be streamlined with AI, helping you sort and prioritize messages efficiently. By automating these tasks, you can save valuable time and reduce stress, allowing you to focus on more meaningful activities. Embracing automation not only enhances productivity but also creates a more organized and manageable daily routine, making your life easier and more enjoyable. Simple AI tools for automation. Let's explore some accessible AI tools that can help automate your daily tasks. First up is IFTTT, which stands for If This Then That. This tool allows you to create simple conditional statements to connect different apps. For example, you can set it to automatically save email attachments to your cloud storage. Next, we have Zapier, which offers more complex automation by linking various web applications. You can use it to automatically add new email subscribers to your CRM or send notifications to your team when a new task is created. Lastly, Google Assistant can help with voice-activated tasks, like setting reminders or controlling smart home devices. We encourage you to explore these tools to find the best fit for your needs and start simplifying your life today. Setting up your first automation. Now, let's guide you through setting up your first automation using IFTTT. For this example, we'll automate email responses. First, sign up for an IFTTT account and log in. Click on Create to start a new applet. Choose If This and select the email service you use, like Gmail. Set the trigger to New Email Received. Next, click on Then That and choose the action, such as sending a response email. You can customize the message to fit your needs. Once you've filled in the details, click Finish to activate your automation. Don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and triggers to tailor the automation to your preferences. This simple setup can save you time and streamline your communication. Troubleshooting common issues. As you start automating tasks, you may encounter some common challenges. One frequent issue is connectivity problems, which can arise if your apps or devices aren't properly linked. Double-check your connections and ensure that all necessary permissions are granted. Another common issue is incorrect settings, which can lead to automations not functioning as intended. Review your configurations carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. If you find yourself stuck, don't hesitate to seek help from online communities or support forums. Many users share their experiences and solutions, which can be incredibly helpful. Remember, troubleshooting is a normal part of the process, and with a little patience and persistence, you'll be able to overcome these hurdles and enjoy the benefits of automation. Expanding your automation skills. As you embark on your automation journey, it's essential to continue learning about AI and its evolving capabilities. There are numerous resources available to help you expand your skills. Consider enrolling in online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, where you can find specialized content on AI and automation. Additionally, follow blogs and YouTube channels dedicated to technology and automation for the latest tips and tricks. Staying updated with new AI tools and features is crucial, as the landscape is constantly changing. We also encourage you to share your automation experiences and tips with others, whether through social media or community forums. By exchanging knowledge, you not only reinforce your own learning but also help others discover the incredible potential of automation in their lives. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the exciting world of automating daily tasks with AI tools. We discussed how to identify repetitive tasks, introduced accessible tools like IFTTT and Zapier, and guided you through setting up your first automation. Remember, automating tasks can save you time and reduce stress, making your daily routine more manageable. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends who might benefit from automation. Don't forget to explore our related content for more insights on AI and productivity. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources, so let's continue this journey together toward a more efficient and automated life.